for every Joomla account, we should install Regular Labs. Regular Labs is this company. They have tons of extensions, very good extensions. Okay, and they have one called, this is the one we use, Advanced Module Manager. We have the Pro version. So the way they have a thing called Extension Manager. If you download this, and then you put in our IP, which I shared this, the login in the it's in the shared folder of LastPass. Okay. This extension manager, which I already have in a file called Joomla, web Joomla extensions. Okay, you go down to Regular Lab. It's right here. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, once you install this, you don't need to download all these individually. You can just, you go here to extensions. Okay, I recommend you download Google Drive. It won't say, it will only put a picture of our files. It'll only download it when you click on it. So you can upload and download like this really quick, but that's your call. So look, I'm going to Regular Labs. Okay. I don't want this. Okay, I just want to get. Okay, I'm going to upload this. Okay. Now it's here. See this extension manager? Now I'm going to put in the key code. So you log into regularlabs.com, download key code. Okay, I'm going to create a new code. I have a developer account. And then I'm going to save this domain so I know what it's for. Make sense? Now, see, I can now install all these modules and components directly from here. Some of the main ones that we always like, that we use. In fact, we'll probably use all of them. Yeah, I just do boom. Install them all. They're all good. Okay, very useful. So, so the one, remember, when we do the RSS modules, we use Advanced Module Manager, which gives us, we can do like K2 items, this, that. Remember how we have that ability to yeah. So that's the module. So we just go ahead and install everything. Okay. So normally, for a CEO project, you want to install Regular Labs Extension Manager, all extensions, use module advanced, what is it called? Advanced Module Manager. Advanced Module Manager. Use. Yeah, but I want you to learn, because you're gonna start like doing more by yourself, everything related to SEO. And I need you to learn, because then as we grow, I need you to train other people. Because there's a lot more to SEO than what we're doing, but I'm trying to give it to you in bits and pieces. Okay. So I don't overwhelm you. Okay. So I'll put the website here. Everything is installed here. Good. Okay.